Good evening, super sporty people. So we will do some, let's say, a little bit unusual discussion to all of the other topics I done before. So let's talk about not only the natural products, what will be healthy for you, about the beauty products, let's say, not only for women, men's as well. So today I want to say a couple words about a scrub, what you do. Yeah, we need to do the scrub for the skin because skin cells is dying and it changes like every second your body is changed and some cells is dying, unfortunately, and basically you need to clean it up. So I know you super rich, you not care, you can pay $100 for some milk, salt or whatever, not a big deal for you, but some people, they try to save money and at the same time not only be on a budget but be reasonable and use the products what natural and healthy. What our ancestors done, like 1,000 of years, we use a lot of products from outside what's quite natural, would say. Yeah, so you can use a normal salt, yeah, but really tiny enough to, otherwise you will scratch yourself. What about the face? You can use sodium bicarbonate, so you can do the tiny scrub to your face as well, but basically to all of the body. I wouldn't say it's really a budget option because you can buy the bath salt like quite cheap in some shops, I would say. And wait a second. So otherwise, if you have a seaside in the warm weather, lake or riverside or whatever, you can use sand. So you can go to swim and use the sand, if you can swim, of course. But sand, it should be like really small particles, otherwise you will scratch yourself as well. So basically it doesn't matter where you stay, it's quite easy to find a lot of place where you can make a scrub. Now it's a lot of really cool and healthy shops what they do, like different kind of scrub from coconut, seaweed and whatever. They just make it really tiny. So basically it's anything what can scratch tiny your skin, that's it. So basically you no need to spend so much money on so simple products. Like women's, let's say, you can come to the bathroom and see like 1 million of different products for incredible price, and everything because of the commercial. They said, okay, you need a special soap for your face, for your butt, for your hands and whatever, so on and so on. Another thing what people use for a really long time, it's clay. So basically, depending where you stay, you can clay, and it's a lot of different colors. It can be gray, red, yellow, orange, white, and also they use it in a spa. So you can not only use it for clean your skin, your hair as well, basically everything. And particles really small, so basically you will not scratch yourself. And if you go to some cool spa, they use the same technique. Yeah, so white, gray and blue, it seems like more cool. Blue one I know it's only have in Ukraine, it costs really expensive, but if you're somewhere there, you can go and dig as much you want. Otherwise, for order it online and transfer it will be really expensive. And on my opinion, it works same like yellow or white one, it's no difference at all. Additionally, you can use coffee. If you're a coffee lover, you make a coffee at home, so you boil it and all of the waste what have, you can use it as scrub as well. Same in some saunas and in some cool spa salons, they use used coffee for the scrub and so on. So basically you can use really lot of products, only about your imagination and little bit research. You can find a lot of things what might be healthy, cheap for you, I would say, or even free if you use, let's say, waste of coffee or whatever. And it's natural, what's more important, because in all of the products like toothpaste, shampoo, washing powder, whatever, it's so many, not only preservatives, chemicals, what you have no idea what it's that. For instance, like was a big boom about oh my god, not the potassium, how it's called. Probably I need to make another video about all of the supplements and whatever, like aspartame and so on, and about how it's harmful is and so on. So you will be more careful about all of the products what you buy in. Deoxide of titanium. What the hell, they put it to like everything, and it's like so super toxic. And some manufacturers, they stop to put it inside because people don't want to buy that product. So basically you decide what you want to buy and how healthy you want to be. So if you stop to buy all of that harmful products for you, so they supposed to change something and make it in a more natural way. But yeah, we consume like literally everything what they show on a telly, we use it and we not really care. So this is the biggest problem. But still, as much as I travel and visit many places, always people try to save money, at least more or less be healthy, even if it seems like majority of people gaining weight and seems unhealthy and so on. Yeah, we won't feel good, we won't save our money, we won't use like good and natural products, and now it's became more and more popular, hopefully. So that's why maybe all of that information will be more or less useful for you. So stay tuned, thank you for watching, ask your questions what you're interested in to see in the video, and I try to provide for you as much as I can. Thank you.